All right, we've got a system with two wheels, and we want to know what is the net torque. So just regular torque is RF. Net torque is the torque of clockwise minus counterclockwise. So let's do this. Taking this clockwise, you have to imagine that it's the only force causing a torque. So if this was our only force, and no other forces were happening, this would rotate clockwise. So I'm going to do the RF of that guy. So the distance is 3r, and the force is 2F. And then the other two are taking us counterclockwise. So first one taking us counterclockwise is this guy. If that was the only force, we would rotate that way. So that is counterclockwise. The distance is 3r, and the force is F. And the other force is this one. If that was the only force, we would rotate this way, which is counterclockwise. The distance is 2r, and the force is F. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 RF minus, so that ends up being 5 RFs. So that answer is 1 RF. If you wanted to distribute your negative as you went, that's totally fine. You didn't have to do the parentheses thing. I just did that to, I don't know, be more explicit. So R is 0.588 and F is 3.93. So 0.588 times 3.93 ends up being 2.31084. Sig figs, we got 3 and 3, so I'm going to say 2.31 Newton meters. So that's how to do that one.